All right, so one thing that is brand new this year in 2020, and it's actually going to expire in October of this year, is the VA has lifted the loan limits. And the reason that this is important is because not necessarily, that you need to get a $2 million home on a VA loan, which you can do, but where this really, really, really is helpful and where you can accumulate real wealth is on multi-family unit property. So if you are looking to buy, let's say I live here in San Diego, the loan limit is $701,000. Okay, so if I wanted to buy a fourplex on a VA loan, I'd have to say under $701,000. That's impossible in San Diego. In your town, it's probably the same. It's probably $510,400 would be your loan limit. Probably tough to find a fourplex that you're actually going to get a good cap rate at that purchase price. With the VA lifting the loan limits, it means that you can go up to 100%, up to $2 million or more with some cases. Depends on the investor. But you can buy a 4-unit property, say, for $1.5 million, zero out of pocket, and you can actually use 65% of the other 3 units as income to qualify towards the purchase of the home. So as long as you're moving into one of those units as a primary residence, then you can use your VA loan. You can use the other 3 to cash flow. And there's no guidelines for this yet, but especially in San Diego, I'm not sure where you live, but short-term rentals are huge. So you can actually look into doing like a VRBO or an Airbnb on 1 or 2 of the units, maybe a long-term on one. There's a lot of different ways that you can actually make a lot of money, have your mortgage paid for, live rent-free or mortgage-free, and pay down the principal balance of that mortgage with zero money out of pocket.